Good morning, friends. Today is Step Up Lesson 4, which is focused on 935, 936. If you don't have those pages, make sure you grab them. Putting your name at the top, a little brief introduction at the top, and then give you an opportunity to do some independent practice at the bottom. Show you can use repeated addition to repeated subtraction to find how many groups of 5 there are in 25. So repeated subtraction, not addition. So how many groups of 5 there are in 25, then write a division problem. So the division problem we can start with first, then write a division equation to show the problem. Well, you know that the division equation is going to be 25 divided by 5 equals, which is going to be repeated subtraction. 25 minus 5 equals 20. 20 minus 5 equals 15. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5, and 5 minus 5 equals 0. So when you divide 25 and you literally subtract 5 from it, you subtract 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s, 4 5s, and 5 5s. So what is division? It's repeated subtraction. It's minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, and that gets me to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. In 2 and 3, use counters to draw a picture. I would just draw a picture. I'm not going to get any counters out. We have counters if you are so inclined. The basketball team has 14 shoes. There are 2 shoes in each pair. How many pairs of shoes are there? So 14 shoes. So pair of shoes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many pairs of shoes are there? Well, there's 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, 6 pairs, 7 pairs. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7 pairs of shoes. Maya has 18 cat toys. She gives each of her cats 6 toys. How many cats does she have? So we're going to give a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I need to keep going? Well, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's my 18. So it says she has 18 cat toys because I had to give each cat 6. I was just going to start doing groups of 6. Here I said pairs, so 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 and 10 and 12 and 14. Here was 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many cats does she have? 3. Why? Because you had 18 toys, and each cat had 6, so there's 3 cats. That's the long and the short of division today. Again, so multiplication is repeated addition. Division is repeated subtraction. It's the inverse. Tanya picks 18 pairs. She places 9 pairs in each bag. How many bags does Tanya have? Let's take a look. Well, 18 minus 9. So this is what they're doing. They're going to do repeated subtraction to figure out the division equation. What does that look like? Well, I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. 18 minus 9 is 9. And 9, this comes down. 9 minus 9 is 0. So it says how many bags does Tanya have? Well, she had 18 pairs and 9 pairs in each bag. She had 2 bags. So that's that repeated subtraction up here you're going to use. You're going to subtract. You're going to start with 21 and keep subtracting down until you get to 0. Once you get to 0, then you can write your equation. Down at the bottom it says draw pictures, so make sure you draw a picture, please. Shauna bought 36 markers that came in packages of 4. So groups of 4 until you get to 36. 4 and 4 and 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. How many packages total? And then down here it says James has pencils. He puts 2 pencils on each desk. Pairs of pencils, right? 2, 4, 6, 8 until you get to 16. Then you can write a division equation and figure out 16 divided by 2. So don't just write 16 divided by 2 because it says draw a picture. Please. On the back, the chart shows the number of pennies each of the 3 friends has in her pocket. Each friend divides her money into piles of 4 coins. Write a division equation to show how many piles. So 20 divided by 4, 16 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4. That's your equation. Write division equation to show how many piles. Explain what repeats in the equations, how it helps you solve. Well, what does repeat when you actually do it? If Lexi makes 8 columns of pennies, how many rows does she make? So Lexi, right here, 8 columns of pennies. So a column, 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 all the way across 8. She's going to do 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She's got 16 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many rows does she make? Well, she makes 1 row and 2 rows. What is that? I have 16 divided by 8 columns equals 2 rows. Down here it says Tim has $45, he spends 21, then he finds 28. That's an addition, subtraction, or subtraction, addition, multiple step. Make sure you can do both steps. A bakery plans to make 8 new muffins each year. How many years will it take for the store to make 40 new muffins? So year 1, they make 8. Year 2, they make 16. Year 3, they make 24. You're just adding. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. We got to get to 40. So what year is it going to be when they make 40? Again, you're drawing pictures here. Or you could just do regular old division. This is a nice way of repeated addition to kind of see that in your brain. Down at the bottom, it says Andy rates the following. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Which equation could Andy use to represent the same problem? Again, find a division equation down here. 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 2. It's groups of 4. You started with 8, and you took out groups of 4. 8, and you divided it into groups of 4. Ray, wow, look at that. Ray rates the following. 27 minus 9, 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Which division? Again, division. When you have that repeated subtraction. Shows what you're trying to solve. Any questions, come see me. This is a great way to go through division as repeated subtraction. If you have any questions.